Got a piece of my heart that's covered in gold. You know I'm one of a kind, or so I've been told. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise. Yo! Don't be afraid to let go, just a little bit more. Taking the heavenly glow, we've come to adore. No matter where we go, I know we're gonna make it. No matter where we go, I know we're not alone. We face it all cause now we know that we can take it. We face it all cause we go big or we go home. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. Dance like you made it, you found it all. This is paradise. This is paradise. This is paradise.
Intoxicated, I'm a race. Hoping I can drown my sorrows, but I love that bitter taste. So I'm addicted to it. Visions of you. Come closer, 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 closer. Come closer, 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 closer. Visions of you. Intoxicated, I'm a waste. Hoping I can drown the sorrows, but I love that bitter taste. 9:30 and I can't see straight. I'm hoping that I'll make it tomorrow, but right now I can't feel my face. I'm intoxicated, I'm awake.
All right, guys. What is going on? What is good? Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you had a great weekend. It was chill for me. Very chill. Hot as shit. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But let me tell you something. For some reason, okay, I can't explain it scientifically, but beer tastes better on Sunday afternoons. It is what it is. Something about the heat and the Sunday afternoon, beer is like way better. You know what I mean? I don't make the rules. I'm an observer. Okay. That's all I know. I observe, man. And that's it. But what's good, Jesse? Josh, Willow, Katarina, Max Leon, Benjamin, Trillionaire, Overtraded. Oh, Benjamin's trading today. Damn. All right. Do what you gotta do. What's good, Naruto? But yeah, I'm on paper today. I can already tell you right now. I'm on paper. Okay, I got the TradingView paper account. I'm not logged into nothing that's live right now. And honestly, I think I'm gonna short. But I'm on paper for a reason. Okay, so don't try to read between the lines today. Okay, don't try to be like, John's shorting on paper, so I'm going to short my live account. Don't do that. Okay. Why? Well, today's been whack as fuck. I'll tell you that. We had the Dow rallying today while the Nasdaq was just being dominated to the downside. Now, all of a sudden, we have the Nasdaq rallying and then the Dow selling off. So, I mean, it's discombobulated. The S&P is kind of like, whatever, man, y'all figure it out. And I'll just do whatever. So, it's hard to say, man. It's hard to say. Would I put money behind anything today? No. Me personally, no, I would not. But if I had to take a trade, I think I like the idea for shorts. We have all these highs from London and Sunday's open. We ran that. We've broken down. Look at that 15-minute here. Look at that 15-minute here. You do have an imbalance there on the 15. And then a 5-minute, you have that gap right there. Now, that was an actual gap on the 1 minute a little bit earlier, but then it ran up there. So I pulled the order and then it took off again. So if I didn't pull that order, I'd be in on that candle. So I'm just like, what the fuck, man? So yeah, I'm definitely not putting real money at risk today. Tomorrow's a bank holiday. That's another reason why I wouldn't trade today. So there's your reason. I wouldn't do anything. For me personally, I'm not doing anything live until Wednesday. Okay? Straight like that. And we don't have our clock up there. We got to have our clock on. So we know what time it is. But anyway, so we'll do our giveaway here in just a minute as well. I dropped a video on Saturday, I think it was. Yeah, Saturday the 1st, I dropped the video Smart Money Fundamentals. And that was a clip from the live stream, but a little bit, more editing and stuff. So with that, I told you guys to watch the whole video and to leave a comment. And then out of those comments, I would pick randomly 3 winners to get a copy of The Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday and Stephen Hanselman. The Daily Stoic. Okay. All of you seriously should have your own copy. I mean, I've been putting on for this book for a while. So I will give away 3 copies. Now, but here's the stipulation, okay? Number 1, if you are a winner from another country, that if I order on Amazon, if it can't be delivered to you, then we're probably going to have to do the Kindle version. And if not, then I will likely send you an Amazon gift card for the amount of the cost of the Daily Stoic. Okay? So I'll do my best to get you a physical copy of the book, but if for whatever reason we can't make it work, then I will do my best to figure something out, okay? But I don't think we've ran into problems before. I don't think we ran into any significant issues before. I did pay like $80. No, I did pay like $110 to send a $5 book overseas a few years ago. It was cool and I kept my promise, but I am not going to fucking do that again. So Amazon is how we're going to roll with it. Okay. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, today's just weird. I almost don't even want to trade paper, to be honest, but it's cool. What's good, Edmundo, Alex, Kevin? Definitely nasty. Dow weakest index trading higher than Nasdaq, strongest index. Yeah, Nasdaq was lagging earlier. Now it's leading, at least in terms of the numbers. So the only problem now is this isn't really an imbalance right now because that candle hasn't closed yet. So if anything, it's reaching that 5-minute imbalance, but I'd be more concerned with that gap. See, the micro has it up there too. If I was trading this live, automatically my stop would probably go to this high. All right. But yeah, so the sniper, oh, the gold snipers are cool as fuck. Yeah. That's the one you get for, the gold one is the one you get after 1 year. So full 12 months as a member of this channel, the Smart Money Stoics channel. Well, I mean, it's my channel, but I'm saying our community is Smart Money Stoics. Okay. So, but yeah, the gold one is definitely cool. I agree. I just wish it would be different as far as how long it takes to get that. Yeah, Naruto. It was I sent a copy of George Angel's Winning in the Commodities Market overseas. I think it was London. I think it was London. And she was like, "Oh, it's $110." And I looked at it and I was like, "Look, you don't have anything cheaper." I was like, "Give me the slowest option. Like the slowest, the cheapest, literally the least expensive option." She was like, "That is the least expensive option." I'm like, good fucking gracious. $110 is the cheapest you fucking have? I was like, something's not right. I don't know if that's like because of customs or because of London. I don't know, man. Taxes, probably, import tax, whatever. So yeah, I handed over my debit card, man. I'm just like, I looked at it, I'm like, I just want to let you know, because they ask you how much the package is worth, right? For like insurance purposes or whatever. She's like, how much is this package worth? I was like, probably about $5 or $6. She was just like, what the fuck? I was like, I know. That's why I'm trying to be cheap. But it's fine. So anyway, sorry, we'll get to the giveaway in just a minute. I'm just trying to see if there's anything going on here. And I'm just looking at this and I'm just not vibing with it. But I'll still short this on paper though. Just to do something. Because I know some people, just want to do something. I'll do something, but just understand that number one, this is paper, and number two, I wouldn't be surprised if this gets stopped out. Okay. Is that right? Let's see, this would be the 660. Yeah. Oh no, that's wrong. Bitch ass down all these fucking 6-digit points. So anyway, again, what I'm doing on paper is looking for a close of that gap to go lower. Okay. But again, we don't have, at least on the future side, during the electronic hours, we really don't have anything that's a high probability target. The Dow Jones ETF, I believe these are equal actually. So you got a difference there. You got a little discrepancy there. Okay. So we'll see. But unless we're close, because that's what it looks like. So there's that. And that's probably why I did this too, that no it, because it probably closed right there. So now we can get to our giveaway because there ain't shit to do. So we're going to take this out. People got their cut, that's for sure. I'm not sure what we're talking about, Naruto. But anyway, how do you execute orders in TradingView Paper? Oh, you just log in. Like, you just go down to where it has the brokers at the bottom, and you just click TradingView Paper, and then that's it. And I'm actually wondering if where we closed for Wells Fargo. We did pull back a little bit. But look at that. We finally hit that gap we've been waiting for. Up at the 43.53. Look at that. We tapped into that today. So that's pretty cool. And JP Morgan as well continued a little bit higher. Actually went to the 147.5 level. So that's not bad. But yeah. So today we'll be short because the markets are closed now. So ain't shit to do. The daily Stoic giveaway, we'll pick 3 winners on our wheel spin. And let me pause this music because I can't fucking think with that shit on. Can't find execution or limits button. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure what to tell you. What you do is when you come in here, I just right click and click trade and then create new order, and then this comes up. So there you go. Okay. But anyway, So these are all the comments that we got on that video. Armando, Leon, Lee Bright, Jesse, a few others all the way down. I think Willow snuck in there at the last minute. So we'll pick 3 randomly, and then that'll be it for that. Fun plans for tomorrow? No, hell no. I'm not even sure, bro. Probably barbecue or something. Or if my friends barbecue, I'll probably go over there and devour their food and leave like a boss. I'm just kidding. We pretty much, me and my friends celebrated yesterday. So yeah, I had a cigar. I didn't have whiskey though. But let's go ahead and, oh, there's the first click. All right, so our first winner is Nikki. That's actually one of my previous private students. So Nikki gets one, and these are not I gotta write that down so I'll fucking forget. These are not exclusive to members only. Okay, this is everybody. So it doesn't matter if you're a member or not. Obviously, I'd rather have you be a member, but I'm actually not allowed to do member only giveaways. So they have to be for the public. Otherwise, YouTube will say, you can't do that, John. And Lord knows I can't go through another channel getting taken down, all right? So anyway, our second winner of a copy of the Daily Stoic by Ryan Holiday, Stephen Hanselman, is going to be Mark's Path 6104. Let me just make sure I write that down. So with that, okay, so Nikki and Mark and whoever the third person is, you have until Friday to reach out to me, preferably on Instagram, okay, to verify that it's you. And then all you gotta do is give me an address to send it to, and I will send it there. Okay. So Nikki was our first one. Mark's Path 6104 was our second. All right. So the third and final copy of the Daily Stoic goes to, hey, look at that, Willow. Willow snuck in there at the last comment and then got the last giveaway, bro. That's crazy. That is crazy. I ain't never seen no shit like that before. That's wild. But that's cool. So I'm excited. So Nikki, Mark's Path 6104, and Willow, make sure you guys reach out to me on Instagram, or Willow, if you want to reach out to me on Twitter, that's fine too. And I will send you a copy. All right. I don't think they have signed copies, but if we did, I'd probably give those away. But there it is, guys. If you do not have a copy of one of these, I highly suggest you get a copy yourself. I try to do this every day except Fridays and Saturdays. Those are my, shut your brain off days. But every day during the week, I try to read one page out of the Daily Stoic. So if I need to catch up, I'll read a couple of pages, 2 or 3, catch up on a few days or so. But yeah, so that's it, man. We got to, let me pull up Trading View again. We got to the member goal at the bottom right here. It says member goal 115 out of 125. So, we went to 50 and then 75 and then 100. So now our next goal is 125. And, last week I celebrated, I went out, nice restaurant, and ate pretty good. I went with a friend of mine, great person, and we celebrated together. So, that's just one of many milestones that I think we're going to get to this year. Look, we got to 5,000 subscribers pretty quickly. I had already had, I think, about 37 or 3,800 at the beginning of the year. So we were already kind of close to that, but then you already know what happened earlier this year, and now we're here. So it's gone a little bit faster. I didn't start from zero. So we got to 100 members, 5,000 subscribers. I posted an update yesterday on my Instagram. And let me just look at this real quick. So out of the first half of 2023, so this means even starting late, because I didn't really hop back on YouTube until later in the year. And we weren't actually monetized until way late, like months later. But anyway, so for the total first half of 2023, this particular channel has 67,900 views, 9,900 watched hours. We gained 1,700 subscribers and 107 active members. And again, as of today, we have 115. So I wanted to take the measurements from the 30th, I think, whatever the last day of the month was. Yeah, the 30th. So we've had a few members since then, but that's the second half. So yeah, man, you know, I'm super excited for this channel. I just ordered some merch, like, for myself, and I want to have merch again for you guys, but after a certain point, because I did have merch before, but something was wrong with YouTube where they took it down. They didn't make it available to you guys, and I'm like, well, what the fuck? Because I'm paying to have this merch available, and then YouTube's like, nah, fuck off. So I don't know what is up with that. So we'll have to figure it out again pretty soon, but I will open up the store, the merch store for that. We'll probably have merch giveaways as well. Yeah, I ordered some shirts that have like subscribe on it, you know, cool shit like that. So I look forward to, you know, getting more, it's not like a real plaque, but it's like a, you know, accolade or whatever, achievements that we are getting here together for the Smart Money Stoics community. You know what I'm saying? So it's been a pleasure so far. We have only just gotten started, and I'm super excited, man. You know, not to get into too many details too, but you know, you look at what some of these prop firms are doing recently, and they're making it way easier to get funded, you know, and I can't wait for more of you to be funded if that's something that you're going to choose to do. So I've had students get funded in the past, and I believe that more students will get funded in the future as well. You know, it's, of course, it's optional, and I would never take credit for your success. But again, I'm just waiting to see, you know, who is going to get funded if that's what they choose to do. So this shit is just awesome, man. And I really am blessed to be here. I really am. Like, you have no idea. This is fucking awesome. And I wouldn't do anything else, bro. Nothing else. So again, thanks guys for being here. Congrats to the winners, Nikki, Marks, and Willow. I will send you that ideally today, but you have until the end of the week to let me know where to send it. All right. So YouTube, yeah, sniping YouTube longs. Yeah, I understand. Would you recommend scaling in your funding, like say start with 10, then 20, then 50? Yeah, I mean, if that's what you want to do, I would go the cheapest route first. I would go the cheapest route. You don't want to just you don't want to try and go the expensive route first, because you don't know if you're going to be able to do it. You know what I mean? And I would scale in if it were me. Okay. Thanks, Kevin. I appreciate that. I really do. I mean, already happened for us. Yeah, I know. Truly, now I'm glad you're a part of this community as well. We're only getting started, and we're gonna be here for a fucking minute, right? So drop a like if you had some fun. I know we didn't do our like on the sound check today, so it is what it is. But yeah, so just be careful tomorrow, and we will stream tomorrow, but it's not gonna be long. Just like today, it's not gonna be a long stream. Bank holiday, probably not going to do much. I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, but I'll probably have something planned, or maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But stay blessed, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Just wish you knew. Just wish you knew.